go on better. Now, hi guys. I'm sorry I didn't know what I didn't know what I'm doing. Just take it. I gotta go to the bathroom. Like, really bad. I've already went. I don't know. Who the heck are y'all? Not one. You want to see my boot? I'm gonna scare my daddy. I'm gonna scare him so good. Okay, guys, don't tell him I'm here. Go good. So, tell him I'm here. Okay, get in there. Tell me out, guys. Don't tell. Get in here. Get in here. None of y'all. Oh man. I gotta wipe my butt. No. Oh, yeah. This way. Sammy, you want from the gun? Oh, I wonder what a Sammy is. I wonder what Sammy is, guys. Huh? You know what Sammy is, guys? Ah, God. Oh. You got on my video? You got on my video. I'm sorry. Get out my video. So, I'm Louie. You all knew me when I used to be popular. I never was popular, actually. Oh, man. I mean, I'm an investor. A suitcase.
Yeah.
I got all this money. No. You recording? Okay. Yeah, I'm so rich. I'm so rich. I'm so rich. That's how you bunny. No. Like, go returning. I don't care. I'll make a necklace of money. Like, wait a minute. Louie, I'm guessing likes money, right, guys? I don't want a thief. Stab. Ugh. TA company. Okay, sound. I got J's on my feet. No, got J's on my feet. You kill it. Got J's on my feet. You know it. Oh, man. Got it. Oh, look, there's. Daddy's dead. Daddy's dead. I got J's on my feet. You know it. Got J's on my feet. You kill it. J's on my feet. You know it. Oh, yeah, my J's. A little too big for me. Like only just a little bit too big for me, guys. Oh my God! The jackpot! Oh my God, guys! I hit the jack. Oh, this is awesome. What are you doing? Gotta go. I gotta go get a Band-Aid. Oh God. Oh God, this is so embarrassing. I don't want to walk on a video like this. Hi guys. I gotta go. I know. It hurts. Ow. But there's not gonna be on video. Hi guys. I'm leaving now. What's the advantage of this? He did this to me. I'll do it to him. Oh. Hey, and banner. Oh, stop. Give me all the money. Get that money. Get out that money. Get that money. Get that money. Get that money. Let's clean up all this money and just take it away. I'll tell my neighbors to take it. Okay. Now,